understanding the risks of an unrepaired CVT transmission in your Nissan.
Hello everyone. Today we're addressing a critical question many Nissan owners may have. Is there any risk involved in continuing to drive my Nissan with an affected CVT transmission until it is repaired? It's important to understand the potential risks involved when it comes to your vehicle's performance, safety, and overall longevity.
What is a CVT transmission and how does it work?
A CVT, or continuously variable transmission, is a type of automatic transmission that provides more efficient fuel economy and a smoother driving experience. Instead of gears, it uses a system of belts and pulleys to create a continuous range of gear ratios. However, like any other part of a vehicle, it can develop problems over time.
What happens if a CVT transmission fails?
If a CVT transmission begins to fail, it can result in various issues. For starters, you may experience loss of acceleration, excessive noise, or jerking movements while driving. These issues can become a distraction and potentially lead to dangerous situations on the road. Over time, a failing CVT transmission can lead to complete transmission failure, resulting in your vehicle becoming inoperable. This is not only inconvenient but can also result in a costly repair bill, much higher than addressing the problem early on.
Should you drive your Nissan with an affected CVT transmission?
To answer the original question, yes, there are risks involved in continuing to drive your Nissan with a problematic CVT transmission. The minor problems may seem manageable initially but can lead to more significant issues over time, including compromised safety and potential breakdowns. Driving with a failing CVT could potentially cause further damage to other components of your vehicle. For example, it could cause excessive wear on your engine due to inconsistent RPMs. It's best to address the problem as soon as it's detected to avoid these potential issues and costs. In conclusion, while it may be tempting to put off repairs to your Nissan's CVT transmission, it's essential to remember that this could lead to greater problems down the road. The potential safety risks, higher repair costs, and inconvenience of a vehicle breakdown are not worth the delay. Getting your CVT transmission checked and repaired promptly is the best course of action. Stay safe on the roads, everyone.